Number 3.
Four and a half times around for the side fork 16. Locking in the front side grab on that front side triple cork 16. Max Parrot, when you talk about him, you got to talk about his story, the cancer survivor from the Hodgkin's lymphoma. First contest back, X Games Norway, big air, scaffold jump, actually with a hole through the roof for the drop-in, and he won that dang event. Olympic silver for slopestyle from 2018, 13 X Games medals, 6 of those are big air golds. 89.5 for Max Parrot. Always a sure bet to pin the podium in the top spot of any big air competition he drops into. Number 16 there. Nice use of the side cut of his board there in the finish area.
Let's get lost tonight. You could be my black cake moss tonight. Play secretary on the ball tonight. And you don't give a what they all say, right? Awesome, the Christian Dior. Damn, they don't make them like this.
I kept trying it today.
I asked, cause I'm not sure. Do anybody make real anymore? So we gonna do everything.
Silver medalist from the 2018 Winter Olympic Games for slopestyle checks in with an 88.75. That'll put him up in second place in the silver medal position here.